Welcome back to Immigration Talk Show. The U.S. is once again tightening its immigration system. Let's start with the H-1B visa overhaul. The traditional lottery system is being replaced. Now your salary, not luck, will decide if you're selected. Higher wage earners will be prioritized under a new policy led by USCIS Director Joseph Edlow, aligning with a stricter America First agenda. What does this mean for you? For Indian and Asian tech workers, who make up 70% of H-1Bs, this could bring more hurdles. Outsourcing companies may lose out, while high-paid PhDs and researchers could benefit. Experts say average H-1B salaries may jump from $106K to $172K. That sounds great for top-tier applicants, but early career professionals and fresh grads may be pushed out entirely. But that's not the only change. The U.S. citizenship test is also being revamped. The new version will have 20 civics questions, up from 10, pulled from a 128-question pool. You must get at least 12 right to pass. Officials say the old test was too easy and based too much on memorization. This reboot, revived from the Trump era, signals a broader push to make the naturalization process harder. USCIS says H-1Bs must support, not replace U.S. workers. Former VP J.D. Vance even warned firms, hire Americans first or face consequences. But critics argue this could backfire. Countries like Canada, the UK, and Germany are making immigration easier to attract global tech talent. The US, by contrast, may drive away the very people it needs, especially international STEM grads trained at US schools. So what's next? If you're applying for H-1B or citizenship, prepare now. The game is changing fast. Stay updated with Immigration Talk Show. Like, share, and subscribe for expert US immigration news and tips.